Welcome to HeatSign. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use our dual laser marking machine to mark text content on 3M stickers. Step 1. Release the emergency stop switch and turn on the machine. Step 2. Open the text tool and enter the content. Step 3. Set the fill mode in the marking area to define how the laser will engrave the text. Step 4. Adjust the laser parameters, power speed and frequency to achieve the best marking results on the 3M sticker surface. Step 5. Place the labeled cardboard box on the workbench and press the Beer Start button to begin marking. That's it. Clear permanent marks in just a few seconds. Need a custom marking solution? HeatSign. Professional marking made easy.